Let us start with chapter recording of transactions, second part. Now students, we had done earlier that transactions are recorded in journal and ledger. Let us understand some other books in which transactions can be recorded. Now first of these books is cash book. As the name suggests, cash book. What is a cash book? Cash book is a is a book in which transactions of cash receipts and payments are recorded. Now, it is a book which is maintained on cash basis, in which only those transactions in which we are either receiving cash or we are paying cash are recorded. It is a book of original entry. It is a book of original entry. And it serves the purpose of both ledger and journal. That means the transactions which are entered in the cash book are not recorded in journal. They are directly posted to cash book, and since they are posted to cash book, there is no requirement of maintaining cash account. Now students, cash book is of various types. It can be a single column cash book. Single column cash book. As the name suggests, single column. That means in this kind of cash book, only one account, that is cash account, is shown. Only the transactions relating to cash account are recorded. The second type of cash book is double entry cash book. Double column cash book. Now, as the name suggests, double column cash book. So, in this kind of cash book, two accounts, that is cash and bank, are maintained. Now students, in modern day business, cash and bank are used synonymously. I mean, you can make payments through check, they are counted as if they are made through cash only. Nobody minds being paid in cash or by paid in check. So this kind of cash book maintains two types of accounts, that is the cash account and the bank account. And the third type of cash book is petty cash book. Now students, as the name suggests, petty cash book. This is a cash book which is used to maintain the expenses of small nature, record expenses of small nature, petty nature, expenses which are not important enough to be recorded in either double column or single column cash book. Something like expenses of 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 7 rupees, 8 rupees. It is useless for a head cashier to waste his time recording these kind of transactions. So for this purpose, a petty cashier is appointed who maintains such record in the petty cash book. So now there are three types of cash books that we will study in practical also. One is single column cash book, in which only the transactions related to cash are recorded. Then we have double column cash book, in which transactions related to cash and bank are recorded. And lastly, we have petty cash book, in which transactions of small nature, of petty nature, are recorded.